Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to look at Snapchats privately without the other person knowing and without it giving that open notification. It's still going to show that the message is closed. You don't need to do any deleting of the application or anything for this at all. You just use Snapchat the way it is with the newest updates because they did change the way it works. So all you have to do is go over to Snapchat and open that up. Once you're on Snapchat, you just want to go to your chats, and then you're going to go to the ones that aren't open. So I'm just going to show you guys one from Team Snapchat here. All you want to do is place your finger over the photo, just lightly, and then start to drag over. It's really easy to do, but you have to do it on the left side of the icon here just to show it, and then you could drag over, and you'll be able to see what the person said. And as you see, once I drag my finger back over, it does not open the Snapchat whatsoever. Before, we used to be able to do it anywhere on the line of the chats, but now you just got to make sure you do it to the left of it and then drag over. So it still works, but you just have to do it a different way. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to do this. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.